This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 12th, 2021. Corn market down 7.5, down 18 1/4 on the new crop. Beans down 27, up 27, up 12 1/4 off the new crop. Chicago wheat down 12, Minneapolis down 7 3/4, Kansas City down 19 3/4. So a report where we see big movements between the bean relationship to corn. That's going to be something to be attentive to as we work ahead. Carryout forecast came in at 1.507 billion bushel on the corn, 140 million bushel on soybeans, and 774 million bushel on wheat. So when you look to what they did there, they basically, from the outlook for them, cut demand out of the export arena for soybeans. That's going to be a little bit suspect as we work ahead, and I think that's why you saw the bean market able to maintain a stronger close, again up 27 in the old crop, up 12 1/4 of the new crop, versus a corn market where with that carryout of 1.507, if we come in here and increase acres 2 million in June, we potentially could be looking upwards of a 1.8, 1.9 carryout over the next few months, and then weather's going to dictate a lot from there. So that's why you saw more of a negative bias to that new crop corn market. Feeder cattle on the day up 142.5, live cattle up 27.5, hogs up 85. Would have liked to seen a little more out of that feeder cattle market with the corn weakness, but that market's been so suspect over the corn movement, and also the Dow Industrial down over 500 points as we speak right now. So a lot of dynamics, a lot of moving targets. Strap in for what's going to be a wild few days here to close out this week. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.